Welcome my dear students. I am Arsidas provide you some important tricks to finding the solutions of inverse trigonometric functions. If you use these tricks, you can solve so many difficult questions easily. So it is the essential and necessary conditions to solve that there are so many different questions and difficult also using the tricks. So look, the first question is given. If x is greater equal to 0 but lesser equal to half, then the value of 10 sin inverse x by root 2 plus under root of 1 minus x square upon root 2 minus sin inverse x is. That means you have to find the value. This is the source. Not so easy. There are so many difficult questions, but using these tricks you can solve the questions easily. So since the value of x is greater equal to 0 but less than half, so you can choose value of x equal to half or 0, because x is greater equal to 0 but lesser equal to half. If you submit x equal to 0, then you get sin 0, because instead of x you have to write here 0 plus 1 upon root over 2 minus sin inverse 0, because submit the value of x in these equations, we get 10 1, and 10 1 means 45 degree, 10 45 degree. So value of 10 45 equal to 1. So I just get the value of the inverse trigonometric function is 1. So it is a so simple and easy process to find the inverse trigonometric functions. Again, the second question, look here. It is also so difficult questions, but using these tricks you can solve the questions simple process. So the question is given, if cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equal to pi, pi means 180 degree. Look here, value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equal to pi, then you have to find the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x y z. That means you have to find this value. So if you was from these informations, then you show that cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equal to pi. If I submit, pi means 180 degree. If I submit cos inverse x equal to 60, cos inverse y equal to 60 and cos inverse z equal to 60, then cos inverse x equal cos inverse y equal cos inverse z equal pi by 3 or 60 degree, then 60 plus 60 plus 60, how much? So 180 degree, because there are 3 parts, that is why you have to divide in 3 part to 180 degree. Then I get x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 by 2, because cos inverse x equal to 60, that means x equal to half, similar to y equal to half, z equal to half. Now if I submit the value of x, y, z in this equation, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, then I get 1 by 4, because it is x square. If you squaring the 1 by 2, then you get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. When you calculate, then you get 1. That means value of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz equal to 1. And it is a so simple process to find the solutions in inverse trigonometric functions for the JEE Main and JEE Advanced also. Next, the third question, if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal pi by 2, pi by 2 means 90 degree. Look here, there are 3 parts. There are 3 parts and you get 90 degree. That means one part becomes 30, 30, 30. Or any part, if you submit the any part is 0, remaining part 45, 45, then it is also a same result. So using this, that the tricks to find the value of the inverse trigonometric functions easily. So look here, then which of the following is the correct option or true? That means there are so many options are given and the question is so difficult, but using the tricks you can solve the question easily and simple process. So look here, the first option is x plus y plus z plus xyz equal to 0. This option is correct or not, you have to check. Next, number second option, number B option, x plus y plus z plus xyz equal xyz. This is the correct or not, you have to check. That means the both sides are equal or not, you have to check the which side are equal to each other. Number C option, xy plus yz plus zx plus 1 equal to 0. So this option is correct or not, you have to check. Next, number D option, there are 4 options are given. D option is given xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. So which option is the correct? You have to find using the short tricks, because these are so difficult questions, you cannot solve this question easily without short tricks. So look here, if I submit here, let tan inverse x equal tan inverse y equal tan inverse z equal 30 degree, because there are 3 parts, that means 90 divided into 3 parts, then I get these parts equal to 30 degree. Then value of x becomes 1 by root 3, because there are 3 parts and 90 divided in 3 parts, then I get x equal y equal z equal 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, because tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So I get the value of x, y, z easily. And now just put the value of x, y, z in the different option. There are so many options, 4 options are given. So if I submit the value of x, y, z in the different option, then in the different option you have to just submit the value which option is the left side and right sides are correct, that option you have to, that option is the correct option. So if I submit the value of x, y, z in the different option, D option show that it's the left side and right side, both sides are equal, because if I submit the value of x, y, z on the different option, then I show that D options whose the left side and right sides are equal, that means D is the correct option. So it is a simple and easiest process to solve. There are so many difficult questions using these tricks. Just putting the value of x, y, z in the options and you get the left side right side equal. Thanks my dear students, have a nice day.